Hello everyone, this is a quick install for the Santa Cruz Axleback exhaust. We're starting off with unbolting the two bolts that hold the flange to the Axleback to the mid-pipe section. The two bolts are 19mm or 3/4 if you have standard wrenches. We move on to the three rubber hangers that are holding the OEM exhaust. We generally recommend a little spray of WD-40 and a little screwdriver will help out. Or if you have the money, it's a good investment. Probably you can use like one of the hanger remover tools and makes things a little bit easier. With all the three hangers removed, we slightly lower it and pull back and it should pop right off. Install wise, it's pretty much in reverse order. You start by first plugging it inside with the two flanges, and then afterwards moving on to the hanger and at least installing the center hanger. And then follow up with the rest of the hangers. With the exhaust in place and all three rubber hangers installed, make sure to tighten up the center clamp because our exhaust is a two-piece, and the two main bolts for the flange, and you should be good to go.